Pennsylvania is seeing a sharp increase in deaths of older adults after an abuse or neglect complaint.
Deaths in 2022 more than 10 times higher than in 2017. Sonica Bargo joining us now with more. Sonica.
Alicia, Valerie, Pennsylvania's Department of Aging tells me there are several reasons for that drastic jump. One being the massive toll COVID-19 took on people older than 65. The department also says in a 6-year period, the state has seen an increase in the population of older adults, also an increase in the number of reports made to adult protective services systems. That means more investigations and more cases in those systems. Now, what are the numbers? Caseworkers closed 120 abuse or neglect cases due to death in 2017. That jumps to nearly 1,400 in 2022. Halfway through last year, the rate of deaths after a complaint fell slightly, but is still much higher than 3 years earlier. In comparison, the death rate of older adults in general rose only half a percentage point between 2018 and 2021. But the Department of Aging says don't draw any conclusions. In a statement, the department said this data provides the numbers, but does not capture whether an individual was actually receiving protective services at the time of their death, nor does it capture the circumstance of their death. The data does not make any correlation between the provision of protective services and how the older adult died. Now, that's true. We don't know if all those deaths are connected to a neglect or abuse complaint because the Department of Aging doesn't track causes of death. That's investigated by local law enforcement and district attorneys. The department does make sure county-level agencies on aging report a death to the police if they find that connection. In the studio, Sonica Bargo, Valerie, back to you.